News
For the
Mississippi.
Daily Digital, I'm Courtney Carter, and today is June 11th. It's Talkback Thursday, but instead of posing a question, I'm going to pose a challenge to you. I want you to go to the iPhone App Store, and I want you to download the News Mississippi app. And here's what I want you to do once you've got it loaded. Play around with the app. Figure out what's your favorite. We've got the videos, we've got the newscasts, we've got the articles, we've got our social media pages. All of that's linked to it. But I want you to go to the Talk Back section and tell us how you feel about certain stories. Or if you've got tips, tip us off. Let us know how we can help you with the Talkback app. Also, just kind of give in your opinion, and who knows, you may wind up in one of our newscasts over the radio. So again, that's the News Mississippi app. It's got the Talkback feature, all of our cast, all of our web stories, they're all available. It puts the news on demand in the palm of your hand. Again, it's for iPhone in the App Store. Just search News MS. It's coming out for Android soon. For the Daily Digital, I'm Courtney Carter.